Hey everybody, haven't been videoing much today, but I thought I'd better get you caught up. Our friend Tressie came over today to teach Deb how to make round scrubbies. They're crocheted. Her and Tressie had a fun time doing that, and I want to thank Tressie for doing that.
Yes.
It's pretty nice.
Thank you.
But Deb and I are just going to run up to Arby's and grab something for dinner quick. We're just going to go to Arby's. Two can dine for $9.99, so that's what we're going to do. And then I broke down and bought a refrigerator today. It's just one of the little mini fridges. I've been looking at them, and we're just going to use it for like when I go pick vegetables out of the garden. I can keep them in there and not in the regular refrigerator, and Deb can move her medicines over there that have to stay refrigerated, and it'll just free up some room in the regular refrigerator because we're constantly moving stuff around. And so I got it plugged in. It's going to take a little while to cool down, and I'll probably start moving the vegetables over there yet tonight, and we'll just start getting stuff over there. And tomorrow I think I'm going to rearrange the other refrigerator and get it a little bit organized. And yeah, we'll get a refrigerator back to normal because we're constantly moving stuff around to try and make room for different things, especially when I do baking. It gets to be kind of a hassle. So, and it does have a little deep freeze on the top, which is kind of nice too, because you can always definitely use more freezer space. So, but anyway, we're gonna run up here to Arby's and have a quick dinner. We didn't get nothing out. I thought about doing hamburgers, but I didn't realize it was getting as late as it was. The afternoon just seemed to fly by. But anyway, we'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody. Got the new refrigerator today from Walmart. It's one of the little mini fridges. It's 3.2 cubic feet. It's got a deep freeze on the top, and I put my vegetables down here in the drawer. Got some on the door. Deb moved all of her medications over here, and we still got some more room in there. Tomorrow I'm going to rearrange the big refrigerator, and I might move some more stuff over here yet, but I think this is going to work out real good. We got her medication where it's over here all by itself, and it just freed up a lot of room in the refrigerator. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. Like I say, I've been looking at them for quite a while, and I just bit the bullet today and ordered one. They delivered it right to the house. They had one on their website for $86 or $82, but they wanted $50 for shipping, and it was going to take 3 days, at least 3 days to get here. So this one was $130 and it was delivered today. So I just ordered this one, and this is the one we went with. But yeah, I just think it's going to be really nice to work with. It's got shelves on the door. Oh, also Deb ordered a new Mother's Day ring. She just got it today. She ordered it about 3 weeks ago.
Yep, just got it.
And it came today. It's really pretty. It's got both of her daughter's birthstones and all of her grandkids. So yeah, she's really happy with that. It looks really nice. But anyway, just wanted to show you the new little mini fridge. This is going to help out tremendously. So yeah, just wanted to show that to you. We'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, hope you had a wonderful Monday. We had a pretty good day. I didn't get a whole lot of video for you, but we actually got quite a bit accomplished today. It turned out to be a pretty decent day weather-wise. We got a real nice rain last night during the night. I heard some places had about 2 3/4 inches. I never did hear what we had here in Woodward officially, but yeah, we ended up having a good day. Deb learned how to crochet round scrubbies. She had fun working with Tressie. She got her Mother's Day ring, as you've seen in the video there. Got the new refrigerator up and running. I fertilized the garden, worked out there for a little bit. Yeah, it's just been a pretty good day. So need to get my video finished up here. I'm on day 305, I believe it is. Getting closer to that 1 year mark. So if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like, share, comment, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time I post a video. I also did post a video for the members only last night. Hope you guys enjoyed that are members. And like I always say, treat everybody the way you want to be treated and make this world a better place. Keep moving towards your goals, one step at a time. Be nice, be kind, just be the most amazing person you can possibly be. Keep the Lord in your heart. Say a prayer for somebody who needs it. Help somebody if you can. And always remember to dream big. Keep your dreams alive. God bless you guys. I love you, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.